Warmth I found in your arms, love I found in your eyes. Always feared that this dream will end, always prayed for another day. Now we are here, face to face, hand in hand, ready for forever, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or for worse.
Hil, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Neizel na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
JR, honey, in front of the people we love, I want to thank you for loving me, for taking care of me, and making my happiness your priority always. For the past 4 years, you were so patient, and I can see how you respect me and my parents. On this day that God has planned to unite us into one, I vow to stick with you and support you in every decision you choose for us and for our family. I'll be your best friend and your #1 fan.
You and me dancing in slow motion.
One day I prayed for the right person, someone to love, someone to hold. Promised to myself that when that day comes, I will keep and cherish. The prayer was answered. I am glad it was you. Days were shorter when you were there. Days were longer when we're apart.
Kaya kapatid na Hil at Neizel, yan ho ang magandang nangyari ho sa buhay ho ninyo. Pinagsama kayo ng Diyos, ay sana nga po ay maging maligaya sa inyong pagkasama.
I promise to embrace both your strengths and your weaknesses. I will understand even if it's difficult and confusing. I will do everything in my power to give the love and care that you deserve as my husband and as a mother to our future children.
Finally, I can open my eyes, and you will be the first one I will see. You'll be the sunshine to my days, the warmth to my night. I promise to take care of you, never take you for granted, scratch your back, always give you a reason to smile. Warmth you will find in my arms, love every time you look into my eyes. This dream will never end. This will last for days and years to come.
I will choose you and just you over and over again. Like what our song is all about. Hindi ako magbabago. Mamahalin kita kahit pumuti na ang buhok ko. I love you, Han, and happy anniversary.